Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SKALE Network. SKALE Network has broken out the resistance of a long-term falling wedge pattern, and in today's video, we will analyze what can be the next move of SKALE Network. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Now let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this daily time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line entered in this falling wedge here at the first week of October. Then we had several rejections, and we also had several bounces by the support as well. And we can also observe that the price line was testing the resistance more than the support. That was a signal that the price line can break out the resistance. But we can also see that this volume is not sufficient to support this breakout. And if we take a look at the RSI oscillator on this daily time frame, then RSI is forming another higher than previous high, but the price line is so far failed in doing so. Therefore, there is a hidden bearish divergence on this daily time frame, and we can expect that the price line may have a pullback to retest at least this previous resistance of the falling wedge as a support. Now, if we take a look at the different support and resistance levels, here I want to show you the two major support and resistance level on the weekly time frame, on the long term. Then we can see that this was the very strong and major support we had here at 19 cents, and the price line was not breaking down this support after Feb 2021. Once it was broken out, it retested the previous resistance as a support. We had a very big rally, then moved down again, tested the support here, and here, and here as well, and here as well. But finally it broke it down, and now it has dropped at another very strong support. And at the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator on this weekly time frame, then stochastic has also entered the oversold zone, and we have received a buying signal. Like this blue line has crossed up this orange line, that is the buying signal by the stochastic, and now we can expect a reversal move from here, because previously when we received the buying signal when the price line was at this support, and from the oversold zone stochastic gave us the buying signal, we had a very big rally. By the way, that was if I place this measurement tool, you can see that was more than 198% rally, and this time we can expect another move once again. But there is the previous resistance, or the previous support that was at 19 cents, now can turn into a very strong resistance for the price line, and the price line needs to break this resistance out as well. Now if we switch to the very small time frame on the 4-hourly time frame chart, then here price line is moving in an up channel, and right now we are at the resistance of this up channel. For example, if the price line breaks out this channel, then our next target after this breakout, and this move can be imminent after the breakout, will be here approximately at 18 cents. That will be really very close to this next resistance, a long-term resistance of 19 cents. So next few hours are really very important. If we break out this resistance of the up channel, then there will be a very high probability that the price line make another attempt to break out this very big resistance of 19 cents, because previously it has been working as a very strong support here. Now it can work as a very big resistance, and once the price line will be able to break out this 19 cents resistance, our next approximate resistance will be on the long term, that will be approximately here at 40 cents, and then the price line can start a very big move. Even I'm expecting that once the price line will be able to break out this 19 cents, a very big move will be started from there. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.